If you are using an iPhone, then you must know the benefits of an Android smartphone. You may get better features that are really helpful for your daily lifestyle, which you will not get in an iPhone. Yes, it's true that an Android smartphone gives you more features compared with an iPhone. So to get the full out of your Android smartphone, let's jump into the video. And if you are an iPhone user, then must watch this video till the end. You may change your mind. Before that, click like and hit red subscribe button to the channel so that you will never miss any upcoming video. So let's talk about the 10 features that you are getting in an Android smartphone. The first one, we all know that Android is of Google, which means there is Play Store pre-installed on your phone. In Play Store, there are around 2.56 million applications, which is lot more as compared to the applications that we get in an Apple Store in 2020. In Apple Store, there are 2.2 million applications present. It just means you are getting more options for your applications that you install in your phone. More variety of apps, more to choose, more versatility. It just results that there are more applications available for a single task as compared to the apps present in Apple Store for that same task. Now come to the second reason. In Android smartphones, there is Google Maps from Google, which is one of the great reasons to choose Android smartphones over Apple iPhones. There is Apple Maps in Apple iPhones, but that cannot be compared with the Google Maps. There are too many technical issues with Apple Maps which cannot be seen in Google Maps. Technical issues like lack of support, showing wrong directions, not showing public transport, glitches, bugs, etc. in Apple Maps, which makes it difficult to use and mainly unreliable. Visualization is also a reason that shows Google Maps is a step ahead of Apple Maps. In Apple Maps, there are text, images, etc. of mainly default places and other places too that are small as compared with that of Google Maps, which makes Google Maps more aesthetic from visuals and easy to see and use for the users. Lack of functionality in Apple Maps is due to the reason that they came in competition in 2012, whereas Google Maps was already in the competition as they came in 2005 at that time. Now see the next reason. If we talk about Android OS based smartphones, then there are a lot of varieties ranging from cheap smartphones which cost Rs 10,000 or $100 to $150 to costly smartphones which cost Rs 1 lakh or $1,000 even, or even more, which is not in the case of Apple smartphones. In case of Apple smartphones, there are only costly smartphones which are of just Rs 1 lakh or $1,000. There are no cheap smartphones, but nowadays Apple is also jumping in cheap section too. We have seen Apple iPhone XR and Apple iPhone SE 2020. Apple lack in the smartphone varieties which is seen in Android smartphones. They only launch 2 or 3 smartphones in a year. But in Android, lots of smartphones are launched by different brands, which make it more versatile as there are many more options. Now, come to the fourth reason. One of the reasons that people prefer Android smartphones over Apple smartphones is the customization. Yes, you heard right, customization. There are a lot of customization options present in Android OS, which is not seen in the case of Apple iOS. In Android smartphones, there are too many widgets to use which make your home screen compatible for yourself. You can add, resize, change colors, change transparency for some widgets in Android smartphones. But in the case of Apple smartphones, there is no option for widgets. Just there are no widgets, which means there is no home screen. First screen is the screen of the applications in the Apple smartphones. Now fifth reason, Apple take very huge profit for their smartphones from the customers, which is not a good thing. And this is the most important drawback from the Apple, which makes their smartphones non-compatible from Android smartphones. It means for the same level of specifications, you are paying much more price for Apple smartphones, which is not in the case of Android. This is the case in every country. Apple always charge high from their customers to earn more profit, and especially in India. In India, their profit margin is way too high, which approximately increase their smartphone price around 30% compared with the rest of the whole world. But in the case of Android smartphones, the price is much low with the same specifications as of Apple smartphones. Now see the next reason. If we talk about the screen size of the smartphone, then there are too many options present, from a smaller phone to a larger one in Android smartphones. If you see the smartphones in a market, then there are options of each size of display in smartphones. It means there are smartphones of each resolution, HD, Full HD, 2K, 4K, etc. and of each screen size of display 5.1, 5.2 and 5.3 up to even 6.5 inches of display. But in Apple smartphones there are only two options, just 4.7 and 5.5 inches of display. Now 7th reason. If you want to buy an accessory for your smartphone like earphone, charger or anything else etc., then in the case of Apple you have to pay a lot of price for them, and in case of charger there is only one option, the Apple charger. But if you are an Android user and you are willing to use other accessories of different brands, then there are a lot of options present. But in the case of Apple there is no option other than Apple accessories. Android has already shifted towards USB-C cable, whereas Apple is still stuck with its old Lightning cable. The cost of accessories for Android smartphones ranges from low to high, but in the case of Apple, there is only costly option. Now the third last reason, 8th reason. You can add launcher on your smartphone only in the case of Android. There is no launcher in the case of Apple iOS. If you don't know, then launcher is a skin applied to an operating system which improves the visual and customization to the user interface. It basically enhances the user interface according to the requirement of the user. It just adds extra features to your smartphone or just changes the whole look. Now come to the second last reason of this video. In Android smartphones you can set any browser as a default browser, but in the case of Apple smartphones this is not possible. Only Safari browser is the default browser in Apple smartphones. In Android smartphones you can set Google Chrome, Firefox, UC browser etc. as your default browser. Now the last or the 10th reason. If we talk about backup file storage system on the server, then Google Drive gives 15 GB of free data to store, whereas Apple gives only 5 GB of free data, and after that they both charge price for the further plans. In Android you get more space of storage compared with the Apple one. More space means you can save more precious data that you don't wanna lose at any sort of time in your life. I hope you liked this video, and if yes, then please click like and hit red subscribe button so that you will never miss any upcoming video. And also comment below this video in which topic you want my next video.